Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today activity studying HTML basic. Today explore the fundamental of HTML. The learn how is it is used to build web page. I discovered how different HTML tag work together a clear the organized page structure. During the lesson, I practiced writing basic HTML code, including title, headline, paragraph, image, hyperlink, and leads. I also learned the importance of using the correct tag to make a web page easy to read and understand. This activity increased my confidence in coding that gave me a better understanding of the first step in the web development. I look forward to learn CSS and JavaScript to make website more attractive and interactive. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.